Hello you guys, I am Agima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be sharing with you all beginners makeup kit or makeup starter kit, and I have many products here as you can see, and most of these products are like in affordable prices. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. The first product, I have moisturizer, and I have only one option for moisturizer because I love only this moisturizer and I haven't used other moisturizers that I can use before makeup. So this is the moisturizer I have with me, and this is only for rupees 80. So it's a good moisturizer and affordable too. So the next product I have here are foundations. So I have two foundation recommendations. So the first one is this. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and this cost you for rupees 500. I think online on Nykaa you will get for a lesser price, I think so, but this is for 500 rupees, and this is my favorite foundation till now, because before that I used to like the Lakme's foundation, but this is my favorite now. So if you don't want to invest in 500 rupees for a foundation, you can always go for the Lakme one. So this is the Lakme Perfecting foundation, and this cost you for rupees 150. Yeah, this cost you for rupees 150, and this is a good foundation too. I have used it in the past and this works very well. So if you don't want to go for a expensive foundation, or your budget is till 200, you can get this foundation. It's for 150. The next product I have here with me are compacts. I have three compacts with me. So let's start with this one. So I have this Faces Canada's compact, and this is a good compact actually. All the three compacts which I have are of a good quality, and I have used them personally and I like every compact, and this retails for 199 rupees. Let me show you. So you get a mirror, and this is the compact, and it's a nice compact. So the next compact is Maybelline's Fit Me compact, and this is also for rupees 199, and this suits every skin tone. And I not broke, the mirror is doesn't stick up here, but that is fine. As you all can see, I have used this compact more than the other two compacts, and I use this every day or every time. I actually don't use compact to mattify my face, but I use compact to bake, because I don't use loose powder to bake my under eyes, and this is a good compact. You can go for this. Or if you don't want to invest 200 rupees or 199 rupees in a compact, you can go for this compact. This is Lakme's compact, and this is for rupees 150 only, and this is also a nice compact, and it smells like the typical Lakme products. So this is a perfect product for on a budget, those who are on a budget. And you get again a mirror here, and then the compact here. So after Maybelline Maybelline compact, sorry, I use the Lakme one the most, so you can go for this one. The next I have with me is are concealers. So I have two concealers with me, and both of them are by Maybelline. So the first one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I think this concealer cost you for rupees 620, and I know it's a bit expensive for a concealer, but it is a very good concealer. You should go for this, and I use it for a daily basis when I'm shooting the videos. It's very good for for videos. I use it for videos, and it gives you like a nice coverage. So the next, if you don't want to like invest in like 620 rupees for a concealer, you can always go for the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This costs you for rupees 475, and this is also a nice concealer. As you all can see, you get it like this, and it's a very nice concealer. You can go for this one too, and this concealer gives you like coverage also, but it doesn't give you like more coverage, but it still works very fine. So you can go for this one also. Okay, so the next product I have here with me is a contour palette. And if you are a beginner and you want to like contour your face and make your face like chiseled and very nice, so this is the contour palette which I have for you, and I also use this contour palette, and it's the Mask Makeup contour palette 5-in-1. And as you all can see, there are 5 shades. You get a mirror here, and there are 5 shades for contouring for every skin tone actually. And this is the brush you get with it, and I think I got it for like between 150 to 180, but you will get this 5-in-1 contour palette under 200 online. I think you will get this online also. I think I have seen this contour palette on Flipkart or Amazon or something. I don't remember exactly. So the next product I have here with me is a liner, and I have only like one liner recommendation, and it's the Lakme Insta eyeliner. You get this for like 120 online, but offline you will get this for like 100 or 90, something in between, like 90 to 120. You will get the liner in between this price, and it's a very nice eyeliner. Before I used to use the Blue Heaven one, but I switched from Blue Heaven to Lakme because this is a very nice eyeliner and it's very comfortable too. And the next thing I have here, the next product I have here is with me is mascara, and I have only one mascara recommendation. So this is the Maybelline's Hypercurl mascara, and I don't know how much this costs. Just let me check if I can get the price. I think this mascara costs you for rupees like 500, no not 500, 250 or something. But wait, let me just check. I am trying to find the price on Nykaa. So okay, so this is a washable mascara. This is not a waterproof mascara, and this mascara cost you for rupees 233. But if you want to stick with the waterproof mascara in the same range, you will have to pay like 251 rupees for this mascara, and I think 233 rupees for this mascara is like a very nice deal, because like if you have used the Dazzler or Blue Heaven mascaras, I didn't like those mascaras like how I like this one. So you should go for this one. This is a nice mascara. And the next products are highlighters. I have 2 highlighter recommendation for you, and the first one is the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in the this is in the shade Precious Petals, and I think this cost you, this cost you for rupees 599, so approx 600. So this is a nice highlighter. Sorry, this is a nice highlighter for like 600, and this is by the known brand Wet n Wild, and the shade is like very pretty and very beautiful. And look how cute the inner packaging is. You get like a design of a leaf or a flower petal, I believe. It's a nice thing or nice design. and this is a nice glow of within kind of a highlighter, and I have applied it right now. So the glow which you see on my face is by this highlighter, the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. But if you don't want to like invest in 600 for a highlighter, I have one more recommendation, and this is none other than Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which is the very known highlighter, or which people hype about. So this is the highlighter, and this cost you for rupees 550, but I think on Nykaa you will get this for like between 450 to 500 or 550, I think so. And this is in the shade Molten Gold, and look how pretty this highlighter is too. So if you don't want to like invest 600, you can always go for this highlighter. This highlighter is like also on the higher side for like on the expensive side, I believe, for those who are on like a budget. But this is like a one time what you all can say, one time investment, because if you buy this once and you only need this one highlighter, you can use this for more than a year. So you should get like you should invest in highlighters. Like I personally think so that you should invest money on eyeshadows and highlighters, because they don't get over very easily and very fast. So yeah, so the next recommendation I have here are two eyeshadow palettes, and both of them are by Revolution. So my first palette and the first recommendation I have here with me is this, and this is the Revolution palette, and this cost you for rupees 950. So you should go for this this eyeshadow. But the thing is that you get only this shade matte. Other than this shade, all the other shades are like shimmery kind of. But I have one more eyeshadow palette recommendation, but this is like more higher, on the higher side than this one. This is for 950 and this is for 1750, but you can invest in this this eyeshadow palette. If you don't like shimmery eyeshadows, you can go for this one, because I think this palette has like 6 shimmery eyeshadows and the other are matte. See how cute the packaging is. Look. Okay, so let me open this. Yeah, you get 6 shimmery shades and the other shades are matte, and you get like a full size mirror here. So look how pretty this palette is, and you get like you get shades like neutrals here, you get darker shades also, and you have like shimmery shades too. So if you want to like invest in a matte as well as like a glittery eyeshadow palette, you should go for this one, and this cost you for 1750 rupees. Yeah. And I think if you buy this palette only once, it will you can use it for like almost 2 years. And these are the lipstick recommendations I have for you. So let's start. Okay, so let's start from the expensive lipsticks. Okay, so for the first lipstick, I have this Smashbox lipstick in the shade Boss, and also another lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Gulabe. So these are the lipstick, but if this is the combo lipstick pack which you get for 990, and I think that this is like a steal deal for 990 rupees. You get 2 shades, and but if you buy this like a full size, or you invest in like a full size lipstick, the full size lipstick will cost you like 2100 rupees. So I think you all should go for the combo of these two if the combo is still available. I mean, the combo offer is still available. So for the next lipstick I have with me is this, and this is the Nicka K True Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Turkish Rose. I am not specifically saying that you should get only this shades. I am just letting you know for how much price the lipsticks are, and if it is like affordable for you or not. So this is the lipstick, and the MRP of this lipstick is 395, but if you like want to buy it, you can check it on Nykaa. The price of this lipstick on Nykaa is 198 rupees, and I love this lipstick. It comes in a budget under 200, and this also has like many shades. I want to get more shades in this lipstick because it's affordable, and it is like very nice on your lips. It doesn't like dry out your lips and everything. So this is like a nice lipstick for those who are on a budget. And the next lipstick I have with me are by NY Bae. So you will get these lipsticks on Purple. Purple is an app where you get like makeup products and everything, just like Nykaa. So I have like 2 lipsticks with me, and the shades are, this is Charlotte's Gallery, and this is Take Me to Park Slope. So each lipstick cost you for rupees 195, but I think you will get this lipstick on offer, or maybe on like a lesser price or a cheaper price if you check on Purple. If not, then it is always like on it comes under 200 if there are no offers on this also. So it's for 195 rupees, and these are like a nice lipstick, but I wouldn't say like these are like too comfortable. These are comfortable, but these like dry out your lips, I believe. But if you want to try this, go for it. The next lipstick I have with me here is by Miss Claire, and it doesn't have a shade name, the shade number. It only have shade number, and the shade number is 58. And look how beautiful this shade is. So this lipstick cost you for rupees 295. Yeah, I think so. If you check it on Nykaa, you'll get this lipstick. This is not a lipstick actually, this is Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creme, and it is very comfortable on your lips. When I say very, you should definitely try this because it's like very comfortable on your lips, and it doesn't feel like you have a lipstick on your lips or anything. So you should go for this one too if you want to invest in like a good lipstick. The last lipstick I have here is the Huda Beauty dupe lipstick. So I know Huda Beauty lipsticks are like very expensive, but this lipstick I don't think so you'll get this dupe lipsticks like in a single piece. You will have to buy like the whole pack. The pack of 12 cost you for rupees 300 to 500. This lipstick pack of 12 lipstick will cost you under in between 300 to 500. So I think you all can invest in this lipstick too, because they are very comfortable on your lips, and it doesn't feel like you are using dupes on your lips. So that was all for my beginners makeup kit or makeup starter kit. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow the Siva Style Store. I will give all the details in the description box below, and comment me down if you like this makeup starter kit for beginners. I will try to make like more skincare and body care related videos, like in an affordable price, or beginner skincare kit or beginner body care kit. So if you want this kind of a videos, you all can comment me down in the comment box, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.